Hi there, today I'm going to be doing my review of the Milwaukee M12 Heated Hoodie, and this is their hoodie that operates off 12 volt power. I'm wearing a size large, and so if you're trying to decide what size to get, I'm 5'9" and I weigh 210 pounds, so it kind of gives you an idea what you're looking at size wise. Trying to get in the light here. I got the sun coming in at a weird angle, and pardon for my voice, I'm battling a bit of a cold. First off, it feels like a really nice sweatshirt. I mean, the fabric's good, the weight is good, and you don't really notice the heating element too much. You could feel it a little bit right here. There's supposed to be heating element on this side. I don't feel it at all. There it is a little bit. And then there's some on the back, which you just don't even feel a little bit. From a styling standpoint, the only thing I don't like about it so far is if you actually flip the hood up, it's got the Milwaukee emblem right on the front, which is kind of a odd looking thing. But just as if you were just going to evaluate this as a regular sweatshirt, it feels pretty good. It comes with this piece right here, which is what the battery goes into, and then there's a outlet right here that the jacket plugs into. And I'm just going to go ahead and for a demonstration, I'm just going to use just a regular small size M12 battery. There's a pocket inside the back of the hoodie, and then this battery unit just fits in here, which I'm trying to do one-handed. And then it just velcros down in place. Pretty easy. And this is what it looks like with the battery in. You get a little bit of a bulge right here. I don't think it's too bad. It doesn't really feel like there's that much weight added to it. So it's pretty comfortable. I've sat with it. You don't really feel it when you're sitting, so if you were driving you wouldn't notice it at all. And then turning it on, it's dirt simple. You just press this button right here for a couple seconds, and then red light comes on, and that lets you know it's charged up, and this is the hot setting, and then you just press it. That's the medium, and that's the cool. So what I'm going to do is leave it turned on hot, and I'm going to time it and see how long it takes for it to wipe out my battery, which I just pulled off the charger. Okay, just for fun, I decided to take a temperature measurement, so it's 76. I'm going to zip the jacket back up and just see how much warmer it gets in an hour. Now it's 82, 78. It's starting to heat up. Okay, it's about 45 minutes. My nose is completely sealed up. Anyhow, it's 63 degrees in here, and I'm just going to go ahead and shoot the outside of this jacket. It's 89, 85. That must be off the heating. 81, 76. I'm just going to flip it open. You can see the light's still on hot. And inside's at, ooh, that's nice, 98, 99. So it's nice and toasty. I'm looking forward to putting this on because I'm actually freezing cold. So I'm going to go ahead and wear this thing until the power dies in it, and then I'm going to charge the battery, put it in. I'm going to charge the battery and run it at a lower setting, see how long it lasts. Okay, replace the battery. The first battery lasted about 1 hour and 50 minutes on red, which is the high setting. I got it on the cool setting right now. And I'm just going to take a temperature, see what it looks like. 85 degrees on the outside, 88 over there. And just for perspective, it's 65 degrees in here. And inside, you can kind of see right here, that's the heating area right there. That's 88, 90. If we go up a little higher, see it's 20 degrees cooler by the collar. So it does provide heat. I was wearing it for a while, and it's, you know, as you would guess, not near as warm as it was on red, but it was still pretty warm. So my takeaway from this is you can save a lot of battery power. At least I'll see how much you can save with the one power down setting. I have the jacket set on the coolest setting right now, and it's been on for about a little over half an hour. And just 68 degrees, 68, 73, inside back panel, 80. And just air temperature is 64. So it's doing a pretty good job of heating at the lowest setting. On my final battery run, I put the battery in at about 3:30, and I fell asleep at around 7:30, so I didn't make it to the end of when it actually shut off, but it ran for over 4 hours, and I'm just not in the mood to run it for a full test trial to see how long it's going to last on low setting, but it's quite a long time. There's a box that comes in. My final evaluation is it pretty much works as you expected, or as it's described, other than the fact that I'm not super keen about that saying Milwaukee on the top of the hood. The other thing that's kind of weird is the battery holder. If you get the jacket, the battery holder has a button on the bottom and then the battery gauge on the side, like you get with most of the Milwaukee tools. I think it would be nice if you could see your battery life with this. I don't know why that wasn't included with this. And then also, if you get the jacket, it sticks out a little bit farther right here, and it has a USB charger. So you can buy that separately, you know, and use it yourself, but it would have been nice if it would have been included as part of the package. But overall, it's pretty nice. I think if you're going to wear this, you're probably going to want to wear something that's a windbreaker over the top if it's cold enough that you need to be battery heated. Because when I'm out in the wind goes pretty much right through it. It's just cloth. But overall, pretty nice garment. Thanks for watching.